Alright, assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Pepe update. I do notice that Pepe has a few manipulation going on. We had a break to the upside. We were meant to actually come up to 1200, but we haven't done that yet, and one more time you just disappointed people by dropping to the downside. So it's a very small consolidation and pretty stressful if you're trading Pepe at the moment. I know that. And considering everything out there, considering what Bitcoin is looking like, considering what other altcoins are doing, I don't have a good feeling. I'm not positive on the market at all, right? Because it's just what the charts are printing out. And again, I'm not going to stretch the video today for too long. We don't really need to stretch the video. All I'm going to say is you have this one triangle, or this junction here coming in by 21 February. So 21 February, you are probably going to get your answers. And if you end up coming down and taking out 975, I think that's where you start your journey to really drop down to 6,800, probably back down here, maybe 6,000 levels. This is where the target really is. And that's where you also have your previous support, right? So this is a whole pattern. Break below that pattern actually takes the prices down there. And at this point here at 616, I think that may be a very good entry. Probably a very good entry. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.